Can you sue a bar or restaurant after an injury in NYC? If you were hurt at a bar or restaurant in New York City, you may be able to pursue compensation. Yes, you can sue a bar or restaurant in NYC when the establishment's negligence caused or contributed to your injury. Bars and restaurants owe patrons a duty of care under New York premises liability law. That duty includes keeping the property reasonably safe, properly handling food, and providing adequate security when needed. A claim usually focuses on whether the business failed to address foreseeable hazards like wet floors, broken glass, poor lighting, unsafe fixtures, or unsanitary food practices. To prove negligence, you generally must show duty, breach, causation, and damages. Duty means the establishment had a legal obligation to keep the premises reasonably safe. Breach means the business fell short through action or inaction, such as not cleaning a spill or not warning customers. Causation means that breach directly led to the injury you suffered. Damages means you experienced real harm like medical bills, lost income, or pain and suffering. Common bar and restaurant injuries include slip and fall injuries, burns, food poisoning, cuts and lacerations, and injuries tied to assaults when security was not reasonable for the circumstances. Food poisoning claims often turn on whether the restaurant failed to follow sanitation rules and food safety requirements. Security-related cases often examine whether the business took reasonable steps such as staffing, lighting, or monitoring based on risk. New York's dram shop law, General Obligations Law Section 11101, can apply when illegal alcohol service contributes to intoxication that later causes injury. Illegal service can include serving someone under 21 or serving someone who is visibly intoxicated. A dram shop claim generally requires unlawful service, that the service contributed to intoxication, and that the intoxicated person caused the injury. Visible intoxication is often proved through witness descriptions like slurred speech, stumbling, glazed eyes, or aggressive behavior at the time of service, and footage may matter too. A related statute, General Obligations Law Section 11100, can apply when someone furnishes alcohol to a person under 21, including in some non-commercial settings. New York also follows pure comparative negligence under CPLR Section 1411, so you may still recover even if you were partly at fault, with damages reduced by your share of fault. After an injury, report the incident to management and ask for a written incident report with key details and request a copy. Seek prompt medical care because records from the initial visit help connect the incident to your injuries. If you can, photograph or record the hazard, and collect witness names and phone numbers to support what happened. A premises liability lawyer can help gather evidence and pursue the claim process from investigation through negotiations and, if needed, litigation. Damages in these cases can include economic losses like medical expenses and lost wages, and non-economic losses like pain and suffering or emotional distress. In New York, the personal injury statute of limitations is generally 3 years from the date of injury under CPLR Section 214, with some exceptions such as minors and special rules for government-related claims. Claims against a government entity may require a notice of claim within 90 days, which is one reason fast action matters. Surveillance footage can be overwritten and witness memories fade, so contacting an attorney sooner can help preserve proof. Kucher Law Group handles premises liability and personal injury claims throughout Brooklyn and Kings County and files cases in Kings County Supreme Court at 360 Adams Street. Talk with a lawyer about whether premises liability, dram shop rules, or comparative negligence could affect your situation. Choosing a law firm that can evaluate evidence, document damages, and manage deadlines can make the process clearer from the start. If you want help taking the next step, the law firm can explain how claims are investigated and what compensation may be available. Kucher Law Group can discuss your options at 929-563-6780. Kucher Law Group is located at 463 Pulaski Street, No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221, United States.